Hey guys, welcome to our channel again,
Journey with the Jacksons.
and hey guys, thank you for always tuning in to us, and always remember to
hit that subscribe button.
subscribe, like,
comment, and
share. Right.
So guys, we hope you're doing amazingly well. We are taking a stroll and we are gonna show you, we're gonna be talking about something a little bit later on, but for right now we're gonna be taking a stroll through where?
Waterhouse.
Right, so we know we are there inner cities here in Jamaica. We're in Kingston right now, so we're gonna take a little trip through Waterhouse, and we're just gonna show you the what's that, the outer part?
The part from the main road.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's see.
All right.
So we're starting the journey from Spanish Town Road.
Yeah, we just turned on the Spanish Town Road, and as you look, you are seeing some paintings, some drawing of some prominent persons from the same area. So some of these persons were influential, not sure in the exact manner.
But
Right.
also, oftentimes.
Sorry babe, sorry to cut you. That's a famous cook shop that we just passed. So there are two cook shops there, one on the right and one on the left. So a lot of persons actually stop there and get fried chicken,
lunch,
and pork,
fries,
and whatever.
whatnot.
Yeah.
Also, oftentimes the murals on the walls is something that you find popular in inner cities.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, and a lot of inner cities. You find.
Well, here in Jamaica, we don't know about anywhere else really.
Yeah,
but
I think it's the same. It's the same. Yeah, man. When you start see the paintings that say, say. What is this man doing in the road right here?
Don't know, it's crazy. But yeah, guys, so far you can see people riding bicycles, you see churches, and also one thing to note is that the great Shelley and Fraser Price, the athlete,
is from this year, and we are passing one of her. Where is it? Yes, that is her foundation. Yeah, so she created that. Yeah. She's the one behind it, the mastermind.
So that's where Shelley and Fraser Price grew up. And so you see, good things come from the ghetto.
A whole lot of good things come from the
So there's not always bad in the ghetto. There's people who are educated and
very talented, extremely talented. Yeah, man.
And oftentimes are very much influential in society and are making a positive impact.
Yeah, man, make them mark and do them thing big.
But you know what? I don't know if guys, just comment below and tell us, like, if you're from a different country or not. Just tell us what it is that you call in your country, what you call a ghetto, or we call it here in Jamaica an inner city, or
I think in America them call it projects.
Yeah, it's called the projects in America.
Yeah, projects.
But here in Jamaica,
the
hood. Yeah. The hood.
Really style, the hood.
Yeah. So just comment below and tell us what you think. And if you're living in like one of those first world countries, as they say, and you don't have, there must be those little communities that are sort of, that they describe as such. But one thing to also note is that Waterhouse is connected to Olympic Gardens.
Yeah, a lot of persons didn't know this, so that's just for your general knowledge.
Yeah. And there are police stations, there's health center.
Matter of fact, speaking of police station, we're approaching one and
like a new one,
a new construction coming up there on the left. It's going to be a very huge building. It's going to be a huge building.
It is a huge building.
Yeah. So that's it right there.
Yeah,
the blue and white.
Yeah.
Yep. What's a 3-story, 4-story?
Seem like 3. And then you have people housing on the the right.
Yeah. And right where on the left there to the black people. That right there is a very famous somebody come there and fry like fritters and stuff. So somebody actually told me that.
Right over there.
No, actually on the other side.
Okay.
porridge, themselves porridge there,
Oh,
right on the corner.
yeah, right on the
there.
corner here. So yeah,
See a
yeah.
lot of persons line up there in the mornings to get their porridge.
Yeah, and then the health center is right
the
here
health
on the
center,
left.
Right.
Mhm.
The Olympic Garden Health Center.
Yeah. And also, there's something to note that we are approaching the Chinese school.
Benevolence.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So
No. Chinese benevolence in
Animal-
Oak Road.
is that Jamaica? Some school. It's a Chinese school. This is it.
Yeah.
Chinese contributed to it being built there.
Right.
Simple said.
Yeah.
And then now, I don't know how many of you also knew that Olympic Gardens is connected to Mullines Road.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can take that, go back onto Mullines Road and then back onto Boulevard.
Right.
Yeah. Then you go up and go back into Halfway Tree.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So so a lot of persons use some of these roads to cut out a lot of the traffic.
Mm-hmm.
And sometimes they don't find a lot of traffic on these roads.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. But sometimes it's good to know some of these turn.
Yeah.
Yeah. And they are majority and they are safe contrary to popular belief.
Right, that's a good thing to know because I mean we've traversed this area quite a few times just to cut out traffic. Yeah, and we haven't had any troubles.
Yeah,
so,
none whatsoever.
None, absolutely. Except when the garbage truck, garbage.
Yeah.
Right? We have delays, but otherwise from that, no.
Yeah.
So guys, we hope we enlightened you.
Yeah, I hope that this journey was fun.
Yeah. Or you learned a little something. Let us know below what you think. So just stick and stay for what we'll be showing you.
Yeah.
In a little while.
Definitely. Alright guys.
Checking out the opinions of people in Jamaica on the streets. Then we have
Neil.
Neil looking at camera now.
You're with Davar.
Davar, yeah? Alright. So my question to you guys, we don't know saying in Jamaica we're colorful, right?
Yeah.
Full of excitement, all of that jazz. So alright. Tell me, what is one thing or one name you don't want a Jamaican to call you?
We know for a fact enough man would want a man call him man. Cause that's a one thing. Yeah, we have be real, we have be straight, you know, so that's enough, but enough man would want a man to call him.
In a Jamaica?
In a Jamaica, cause that's a big disrespect.
Alright.
Yeah, man, boy say fi true, cause him know. Come on, sneeze him and sneeze on him and say fi true.
What you said that for?
Yeah.
One thing.
For instance, we don't want a man to run a joke with me and say, suck them something. You see me, then think they bring down your standard in the community and all of it not gossip. At Jamaica this. People are going to log on to it and run it.
What are some of the answers you've gotten?
That's what they call you Molly.
Green and molly.
Yeah, no.
Tell the truth still. When you do on the green part, that probably lick something because if you know say, because you don't want nobody to call them out.
Answer your thing.
You can ask your question?
Oh,
Answer.
Alright.
it's
Now
a
I'm
flip.
going to go like you want
Alright.
university style.
No,
No,
That's why you
ask.
guess it.
Alright.
Yeah.
Count with me. Round the road, round the rocky rough road. How much are in that?
What line now? Round
The road,
the
round the road, round the rocky rough road.
2, 4. That sound like round the road.
Round the
round the
road,
road.
round the rocky rough
Round the
road.
road. 2, 4. That's come like about 7.
No R is in THAT.
Round the what?
No R, Mr. How much R is in that?
The road.
THAT, no R in that.
Road.
Alright.
I trouble you know. I trouble man. You should not catch a one there. What you gonna do?
No, because guess why? No, guess why? Because he came around the road. Because I mean, you're at all now, you know? I mean, you're at all now. Yeah. Alright, that's a one good one. That's a one good one.
So, what your name? Or what they call you?
Pedro, you know.
Pedro, alright.
Alright, so Pedro, tell me something you don't like when Jamaican people say to you.
Something what me no like.
Yeah, when Jamaican people say to you.
Work one dog.
Yeah.
No, me no like that because me no dog virgin.
See it there? Oh,
No,
tell me something
you
else.
can't call man dog.
Yeah.
No man, that's how the system gets out harder, you know.
Yeah.
Because man I lose respect for themselves.
And I call man dog.
Dog.
And them things.
No, you can't call her dog.
So tell me something else when you like when Jamaican people sit here and call you.
Nothing now go on.
Nothing now go on.
Yeah, me not like that.
Yeah.
Because if you not do nothing, nothing now go on. You have to do something go on, right?
Yeah.
Pedro,
That's true,
respect, you know.
Every
Respect
time, man.
Everything you say,
true.
yeah, respect,
That's true.
respect,
What is
respect.
your name?
I scratchy them call me.
Ah, scratchy.
How you call you Scratchy?
You know how Jamaicans here, every Jamaican have a nickname.
Alright, I true.
Jamaican have a nickname.
True.
We would normally say is a alias.
Yes.
True.
Alright.
Alright, Scratchy. So tell me something where you not like when Jamaican people sit to you.
Well, I see them thing, you know. As my bed, you know, that saying everything a dog. If me I wonder if them can find a most appropriate word to say to you than dog.
Yeah.
You understand? Them
Yeah.
can't say brethren, old man, more, you know.
Yeah, so if
more
they call you
modern
old
thing.
man, that's not disrespectful.
No, sir. Because you're young, but you have to get old.
That's
But
true.
some oldness is a due a respect.
Yeah,
Because no man do not live to see them get old.
that's true.
So
Real
you
thing.
must proud that you live, that you can't old.
And
Yeah.
true, scratchy.
I tell you
understand?
one name I like. One name I like if somebody a cuss you, you know, one then say to you. If them a cuss you.
The name when me not really like nobody say to me, them a call me the man and sodomite.
Yeah,
Yeah, because that is not my philosophy.
yeah.
Me is a real man, 10 kids, so you don't know the thing said.
That one they not go work out.
Yeah.
Yeah,
nah, go
respect,
work.
scratchy. Respect.
Yeah.
Respect. Big up
man.
yourself.
Inshallah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
What your name? What they call you?
Bongo, man.
Alright. So tell me something what you not like when Jamaican, if them a cuss you, what you not want they say to you.
You like me tell you, you know.
Yeah. Tell me man, why you tell me? What make you not like that?
No. For a long time it's like that, you know.
Long time thing that.
Yeah, long time.
Okay. So now I want to say that. Tell me one next name where you not like Jamaican, tell you if them a cuss you.
See.
Alright, Bongo. Respect. Respect, yeah?
What else again?
You want more?
The world we know Jamaica number one ketedum man in a Jamaica, this, you know.
So I think the Bongo Herman
A
this.
bongo man is one of the most important.
Again, you know, my respect, you know. My
Yeah,
respect,
man,
man.
original bongo.
I think I'm checking my
no,
name.
man, the man, yeah. If you go up on YouTube, you can see them Bob there from the early days.
Let me
yes.
tell you, only young
Watch out,
people
watch
who
out.
know what
Yeah.
Bongo Herman, man. People just born.
They don't know
man.
him this. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You ever see the movie near Rockers?
Rockers, the man in the movie name Rockers.
Ah, that
No.
they come.
But see,
Yeah,
harder
Mr.
they
Harder
come.
Yeah, man, Rockers are the whole of
see-
them. Jacob Miller
So me and
and
Prince.
Gregory
Me
Isaac,
and Prince Charles up there.
Prince Charles Senior.
Oh, Bongo this, you know.
Yeah, man, I see Prince Charles and his wife.
Box
Man, in
cover.
a world with a white coat
A
and
general.
man.
Yeah, me never know.
Yeah,
A
man.
general one.
You can't
Yes,
stop
sir.
it.
Never know,
As
man.
you say, they never too old to learn. That's why oldness is a respect.
Me not
It is.
telling you like thing about the thing say Bongo Herman pass on. Sorry, but that me the
Yeah.
me the thing, you know.
No matter man, they are
Last
strong.
time you see me pass us all along.
All right.
Watching now.
What you say? What the I name?
Michael.
Tell me something where you not like a Jamaican say to you if them a cuss you.
Well, the road is winning us, so I'm not really opposed against road.
Alright, suppose that somebody. Alright, go on. There
First, if you touch me now, if you
Yeah.
touch me now, different thing.
If you touch you.
Yeah.
Alright.
But word can say anything at all, him free to say anything. Word is win.
Massive
No,
thing.
my word is freedom of speech and every free want to say what you want to say, man.
Oh, why physical part now?
Yeah, when you touch now.
Oh, so suppose
you
a man,
Yeah.
a man say and say, man or something.
Free for something wants man.
You know, feel
Man,
that
that
way.
go offend me,
Yeah,
man.
word is win. Bongo.
Man, freedom of speech, man, if free for something wants man. But if been touching from the shoulder now.
Yeah.
Touch a
No
button
problem.
wrong.
Yeah, that's so now him just get himself in a big trouble now.
Big trouble.
Respect.
Yeah, man, sit down there.
What your name and what they call you?
Peter.
Peter. Alright, Peter. If you're a Jamaican person, a cuss, tell me something where you wouldn't want them say to you.
My mother.
Alright. Alright, tell me one next one. One next something where that bone ya piss ya.
It depends still, you know. Depends.
Yeah, power.
But it depends. I want. But Mr. Man, we're not really argue people in a bridge.
Yeah,
If
yeah.
you go fight with us, fight, you know. And
Yeah.
just walk it out. But not really chasing to the people.
What about like a female close you like your girlfriend? Tell me something if you and I have an argument you don't want she said to you.
Yo, Jamaican.
I said that you're not gonna take that nice.
No.
Respect. Truly, we hope you enjoyed our little clip with people, giving us their opinions on what they actually don't like to hear Jamaicans say to them, during an argument or, just what.
There are several things that Jamaican persons don't want them to say to them. So what we will promise you, if you like this video, then we promise you that we will be doing a part 2. Thank you guys for tuning in to us, and always remember to make every day an adventure. Bye.
Bye.